What happened in the tragic head-on crash in southeast Charlotte? A Honda Civic crossed the double yellow lines on Monroe Road, hitting a Charlotte water truck head-on. Both the driver and passenger of the Honda died, while the truck driver suffered serious injuries. Head-on collisions are often deadly because of the force of a front impact crash, typically caused by one driver crossing into oncoming traffic. In this case, investigators suspect speeding and impairment by the Honda driver, both forms of negligence, meaning the driver knew or should have known their actions could harm others, but did it anyway. If you're ever in a serious accident, call the police immediately, exchange license and insurance details, seek medical care, even if you feel okay. Avoid making statements that could hurt your claim later. Consult a personal injury attorney before speaking with insurance to protect your rights, and ensure the negligent party is held responsible. Injured in a crash? Get the help you need. Call Arnold & Smith, PLLC at 704-370-2828 for guidance.